pick up a few things because it started raining. Oh, but I wanted to still walk around on this thing and show you what's next. We have to move it again. So we just got it off the truck and drug it over here, but now I gotta unhook the strap, and what I would like to do is get it set up to be movable. So it's putting actual hooks on the bottom, on the frame at the bottom, and getting it set up so I can actually drag it around and have it be mobile. Then it'll be straightening out this corner over here. It's strong, but this is not the way it should be over here. This needs to be better. It needs to be tied together. The floor needs to be tied together back here into the wall. Same with the front. Front and back aren't done. Yeah, they are not done. So that needs to be tied up, finished up. I'm gonna use the boards that I have here to finish the bottom part of that. Reason I'm gonna do that is it's temporary. This very well may become a doorway in the future, opposite of this doorway. Right, so this doorway here, I may make it so it can be walked through, right? And part of that is for tools and stuff. I had the idea if I'm gonna be using tools in here. If I can knock this door open, just like the barn door out back, where it's two halves of a door, so you can shut like the upper and lower half. And if you follow me here, if I'm cutting something, the board is long, so the board's 4 feet long, I turn around, I'm going to hit that door. Alright? And I turn around, I go to cut it, I'm right in the middle of the shed, I go across, I'm going to hit that door. Right, or that wall. So, I'm thinking of making it, so this is a pass-through for long pieces, right? And then this counter or shelf, whatever you want to call it, I want to strengthen, and then I'm going to just keep it here. I have no reason to really rebuild it. I could always reinvent the wheel, but there's no reason to. There's what I want and what I need and the combination, and I'm going to get the bare minimum of what I need. I am going to start bringing things in here, though, in the next month, in April. First phase is going to be shop, so tools. It's going to be set up. I'm going to put lights in here and have it set up. So this essentially is a tiny shop, and it'll be able to be electrified and then used as a little workspace. Then the second phase will be camping. Or living, so tiny home, being able to live in here. So electricity, shower, toilet, all that, things that go along with camping, appliances, refrigeration, air conditioned heat, all that. That's a whole nother level, and that may wait until summertime, but that is the next phase for the shed. I have to move, so I might not even keep the shed if I have to move. But ideally, if I move and I can take it, then we'll keep going with it. Alright. Where's your toy? Go get your toy. Come here. No, get your toy. Come here. Drop it. Woo! Good boy. Come on. Drop it. So I don't feel too bad today. My knuckle hurts, but that's it. I just tingle. My hands tingle. I'm pretty used to that. Drop it. They don't hurt. That's all I care about. I got a lot to do. I can't be achy. And this thing's annoying. This tire tube's kind of heavy, so if something's bothering you, you're gonna figure it out, because it's like heavy to throw. Good boy. He's so good at that. Come on. And he loves this thing. Like, it's like a dead goose to him or something. big, heavy, dead animal. Because he barely can run with it. He trips over it. But he loves it. I say, go get a toy. He wants this. He loves ripping that thing out of the air. Good boy. A couple more and we gotta eat dinner. Drop it. Yeah, it's not raining much anymore. But it did start raining, which I was hoping to clean stuff up tonight, but we'll have to do that tomorrow. That's not my pop-up, or I would just camp in that. Drop it. Oh. All right, one more good one. One more good one. We're going in. Drop it. All right, let's go in the house.